Alright, so with the next challenge, if I see that sound like that I will alerts, I will actually the blind, the video needs to be blended. Alright, I did those. That's it. That's not the time to stop spamming edit. Stop spamming spell words. That was wrong. Come on, start the game already. The game is starting to make me laugh. Come on. Hey, don't talk to me. Where? Don't talk to me. Sound like that. Let's go. Alright, so I hit the habit and I've hit me. So let's go. Alright, I did it. Okay. So, no alert. You don't need wait. Alright, so let's go. I need to do this now. Hallway. Hallway. Any sauce? Oh yeah. Any sauce? Next behind. Oh, I think like Black Tuesday. Next behind the Black Tuesday. Get lost, Black. Get lost. Huh. When imposter. Remember, there's only one imposter. Wait a minute. What is this? Alright. No oxygen. The planet is oh god. Storage. Empty the ghost. Okay. Alright. Woohoo. Alright. Let's go. Easy peasy. Look at me. Look at me. Alright. No more else. And that is try it. Alright, that was so fast. Now to find an imposter. Okay, let me see. to get merch. Yes. Oh my god. The doors are closed. And that door almost killed me. Did you see that? Uh-oh. Not again. Jesus. Oh, just open.
So for the next